Hi, my name is Steve Green and I support the BladeLogic server automation and BladeLogic decision support for server automation products. Today I will be talking about Agent Log ETL. Agent Log ETL is used to load information from the rscd.log on your targets into the command usage reports in BDSSA. How it works. First, you run a collect agent logs job to load the information from the rscd.log files on your targets into files on the BDSSA server. Then you run an agent log ETL job to load this agent log data into BDSSA and delete the files from the BDSSA server. Then you can run your command usage reports. Here's a link to documentation that we have on the command usage reports. If we go to this page, we can see that it gives information on the command usage summary and the command log detail reports. It also mentions that you collect data for the command usage reports using the collect agent logs NSH script. It has a link to showing how you can set up data collection for command usage reports. So we'll go ahead and go to that page. Here it mentions again that you need to set up a job for the collect agent logs NSH script. This script is loaded into BSA with the content installer for BDSSA. If you haven't done this already, it has a link here that you can go to which shows you how to install the inventory templates and other scripts, which includes the collect agent logs NSH script. It also goes on to show the parameters that are used for this script, and so once you've run this job, that will create logs on the BDSSA server containing the information from the rscd logs on your targets. Then it goes on to mention that you then have to run an ETL with the agent logs.properties as the -f argument on the job. So I will go ahead and do a demo showing how this works. So here you can see we have the collect agent logs script and the run ETL from OM scripts already in BSA. So here we have the collect agent logs job, which is created from the collect agent logs script. Here's the parameters that were mentioned in the documentation. So the collect agent log server, I have my BDSSA server, and then for the collect agent log location, I have the BDSSA install location. For the agent log ETL, we can see it's running from the run ETL from OM script script. If we go to parameters, we can see that we're running it with the agent logs.properties for the -f argument. So I'll go ahead and run the collect agent logs job against one of my agents. Okay. And that has completed. So now if I go to my BDSSA server, I can see now that I have a log file here for this number 20 server. If I open this file up, I can see that it shows entries that you would normally see in a rscd log on one of your agents. So now I can go ahead and run my agent log ETL to load this data into BDSSA. And I will go ahead and pause the recording while this ETL runs. Okay, so ETL has completed. So now we'll go back to the BDSSA server. And now we can see that this log has been deleted. And so now we'll go ahead and we'll run the command usage reports and see if we have data for this number 20 server. And we can see that we do. And I'll go ahead and run the command log detail report as well. And here we can see also that we have rscd.log entries for this 20 server. So to recap, agent log ETL is used to load information from the rscd log on your targets into the command usage reports in BDSSA. First you run a collect agent logs job, then you run a agent log ETL job, then you can run your command usage reports. Here's a link to the documentation we have on the command usage reports. Here's a link to the documentation we have for setting up the data collection for the command usage reports. Here's the location that the agent logs are created on the BDSSA server. Thank you for your time.